Hello, in this video we will see how to change the cabin air filter of our vehicle. In this case, it is a Citroën Picasso, but it serves for any vehicle from the PSA brand and other Citroën models. The first thing we will do is remove this T20 torque screw. Now I will put it here and we see that this piece is simply to remove that screw, and just here on this side where the arrows come out, these have a pair of clips that come out with pressure. The cover would come out in principle. Everything is done now. We just have to remove the filter that would be up here. We have to remove this protector that the car has. In this case it has 3 clips that can be removed with your hand. Take a little from the center and stretch, and the 3 clips would come out without any type of tool. I have to say that I have seen some videos that disassemble the glove box. It is a bit more complicated with that system, but the work involved in removing the glove box does not compensate. When we remove it, in this case, as we do not have courtesy lights in the feet, the connector is placed in a false hole that is there so that it does not hang. And here we can see how the lamp is not there. Well, here above behind this small tube that we are now going to remove there is a small cover that simply has a small eyelash. We stretch it and it comes out. Behind are the filters. There are 2, one up and one down. Now we will see it better. This would be the cover here. If we can put the camera, which is a bit complicated, we see a filter that looks whole with the eyelash up and down. A piece of filter is seen, which indicates that one is up and the other is down. When we put it in, it is very important that this eyelash is always out so that we can later stretch it and take it out. It will be much more comfortable for us. Now we stretch the eyelash and the filter will come out without any problems. Well, the filter will come out. We see how in this case, this filter had already traveled many kilometers. We would take it out and then simply put the other one, it would be under. We stretch a little and put it up. The glove box is annoying, but that's what I'm talking about. If we remove the glove box, it's a big hassle and it's a bit more complicated to take it out. But even if the filter is a bit wrinkled, it doesn't matter if it was the oil filter or the engine air filter, which must be completely airtight. Here not much would happen either. This is the filter that we have purchased. The only thing to keep in mind is that the air direction comes with these little arrows that say airflow. Here I leave the reference. And this would be the new filter. We take it out, simply with the eyelash up and down. It will only fall when you put it in. Here to put it in, as I have explained before, it is a bit complicated. You see that I cannot put it in. The solution is to bend a little. It is lined up and it is being put in. Once inside, the filter is stretched and you see how it has already turned. That means it has already fit into the hole. With the tab facing up, we insert it the same way we inserted the other one. The only difference is that we already have the other one down, so we need to find the hole that it leaves. It is very important that the other one is well seated down, otherwise it will not fit. So it's the same as the other one. We bend it a little and we gradually insert it until it fits. Another thing is that to insert it, the position is not very comfortable. We have the glove box in front that bothers us and it's a bit tedious. But well, in 10 minutes we have them changed. It's not much more difficult. As we see, the filter is inside, and here we would see how it looks once the cover is put on. We simply put the small tube back, which in this case fits, and we would already have the filter replaced. We see a small curiosity. When we change the direction of the air from up to down, we see how this selector opens and closes the different airflow passages so that it goes in one direction and another. Well, after this, we simply reconnect the one that has a lamp. It has to be connected. As I didn't have it, I put the hook back there. We put the 3 clips, which is simply to insert them into the hole and tighten the center of the clip again. And here the same, 2 clicks to make the cover fit, and once it fits, simply put the screw in. I hope you liked the video. If you pass by my channel you will see that I have some more tutorials and some things I have been doing to the car, in case they are useful to you. And now we have clean air for another year. Greeting and until the next video.